Good morning. Day 2. We woke up, we had breakfast in our room. Joelle had the instant oatmeal Quaker that we traveled with us here. I actually had Life cereal after we came to SuperMax yesterday. I was able to get Life and almond milk, so I had that instead. And we're actually headed back into SuperMax now because we need to get a few more things to make our day a little bit better. Back in the room, just having a quick little, I guess, breakfast number 2. I'll show you what I'm having. I'm hungry. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock, so we're just now like about to go out to the beach and everything. I'll show you guys what we see. It's right, the beach is right behind our hotel. I mean, Airbnb. It's not a hotel. This is like an apartment building. It's like condos, right? Condos and stuff like that. It's right there. Isn't this lighting great? So cute. I'd love like a little tiny kitchen like this if I was single. This is like really cute. Now if you have kids, honey, this is not enough. Okay, here's my brunch. I'm having some silk. This is the peach, my favorite flavor. This is the silk almond milk, peach yogurt, some leftovers of yesterday's breakfast from Pane, and some grapes. So this is literally our walkway from the Airbnb. That's the building. So we walked right out of there. And you can see here on the left, there's a pool, a nice pool area. And here we are, steps away from the beach. Meditation workout here on the beach. I set up my speaker and I used my Peloton app on my phone and it plays the video. So I did a happiness meditation, just 10 minutes here on the blanket. I pretty much had it set up like this. And I just sat here watching it like that. Yeah, that's how I did it. Dinner. We came to Cafe Berlin. They have a very extensive menu with many vegan options. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna show you. So starting at the top, they offer a vegan breakfast with scrambled tofu, vegan grounds, and vegetables. And then moving down to the soup and sandwiches, they offer a vegan burger and a vegan club sandwich. Coming down to the appetizers, there's several things you could get: hummus, ceviche, and tostones. You could also probably ask if the Puerto Rican sampler has meat in it, but based on what it's showing, it does? No, that's usually fried bread. Fried bread. And then coming down to the entrees, they have an entire vegan entree section. That's pretty dope. Pretty freaking dope. Going on to the back. Oh, these are just cocktails and stuff. Alright, Alright guys, here's my vegan spicy tacos. Yummy, yummy. I'm happy that it came with rice. I didn't know it was coming with anything. And hubby got mofongo. Yummy. Buon provecho. Buon provecho. You say it back.
El sábado con aguacero ninguno, no se pudo. No se pudo mirar. Ok. Yo me hago, así es que le di las verduras a estas. Yo las estoy buscando. Hola, ¿y ustedes? ¿Pero y ustedes? Ah, pero tú hablas español. Hola, vamos a ver. Hola, son de Ohio. I've been in Cleveland. Yes. So in Cleveland,
Okay guys, we are bowling in San Juan, Puerto Rico, and my first one I got a strike. Gotta strike my first one. Hubby's going now. How'd you do? You didn't kill it though like me, right? Huh? Oh, you mad?
What?
Are you mad? Just a few hours before you turn 38. All right now. Good job. Wow. So did I win? Oh no, you still beat me. Oh wow. I gave you a run for your money though.
You did. You're good this time.
Hey, we came to Walmart. Had to grab something for the hubby, and now we're acting like two people who have been smoking weed all day and have the munchies, grabbing all types of snacks and stuff. But yeah, it was funny because I had told my husband that we could find a Walmart like as a joke. And well, it wasn't really a joke to me. I was kind of serious that we would be able to find one, but for him, he was like, they don't have a Walmart. And I'm like, yes, they do. And he's like, it's not called Walmart. So I took a wrong exit. And we just stumbled upon a Walmart. But it's not called Walmart. It's called Walmart with no T. At least that's what it said outside. But now that I'm reading it, that's not what it's called. Because look, it says it on the signs in here. It says Walmart. Outside, it didn't have a T, and it had the star. It had the star. So it's a pretty huge Walmart. They have so many things upstairs. It's really, really big. Why don't you just grab 2 bags of the yuca from here? Or we just go get it from... Let's just go to SuperMax then.